you are taking our jobs. Like, seriously, Canada is literally built by immigrants. Unless otherwise you are a First Nation or an Indigenous person, do not lay a claim to Canada. So, to me, it is fairly weird that somebody who would be a first, second, or third generation Canadian themselves would basically lay the claim.
A Kingston, Ontario coffee shop owner is asking for some basic kindness for service workers. This comes after one of his employees asked a customer to put on a mask and was told to go back to her own country.
In my 4.5 years of being here in a cafe setting, I want to say we have had less than 2 or 3 incidents which would have a racial angle to them.
Vid Banerjee's shop was ready for Kingston's mask order. His coffee house has disposable masks if you don't have your own and will handle orders through the door if you can't wear one for medical reasons. Banerjee says he doesn't want to focus on racism, saying this is about people not respecting public health orders or workers.
Just in general, be kind to people who are working throughout this crisis in food and retail, because they are going through a lot. It's like every time we serve a customer, we have to obviously follow protocol, but protocol aside, it's our lives that are at stake. It's our businesses that are at stake.
I'm not allowed to video, but you're making me wear a mask. Otherwise, you're going to deny me service if I don't wear a mask.
Over the weekend, another mask confrontation went viral. A woman posted on social media saying she was denied treatment for a potential broken finger at Toronto's St. Joe's Hospital because she refused to put on a mask. Staff in the video can be heard telling the woman that it's government policy not to treat anyone not wearing a mask.
Each new rule that's put on, there's a group of people that are distrustful, that doubt, and that they take their anger out either on who's ever in front of them, or in fact start going on Twitter or Facebook or any manner of social media saying really nasty things.
Ryerson Prof Joanne McNeish says distrust of public officials and institutions has been rising since the emergence of social media. She says a desire for simple answers, along with the ability to tune out news people disagree with, is leading people to trust their gut instinct rather than evidence from public health.
Social media, which has been wonderful in many ways, is also, unfortunately, allowed all of us to believe that we can override the laws of science, that we don't need to understand complex issues. Things come down to simple things, and things come down to simple things because I have a strong opinion.
Meanwhile, there's a new poll on mask use from Abacus data out. It says around 60% of Canadians support mandatory mask orders, but 23% of poll respondents say they don't wear a mask when they go shopping. In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.